Hello friends, welcome to AllSorts, and today we have for you the Mini Laminator metal structure, hot and cold switch as well. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. So here we have the lamination machine. This is the knob. So this is the power indicator. When it's ready to laminate, it will show you some indication green. So here is the temperature 80, 90, 100 up to 180. So this is the switch for reverse forward the laminator. This is for the cold lamination and this is for the hot lamination. So let's check where to add this knob. Okay, so here we need to insert it, and there is a notch here. You just place it in over here, and that's it. So you can rotate it front and back. Okay, so let's start the machine. So hot, the power on, you keep it in the center, it's off. Down, and it's for cold lamination. Okay, so cold, it's already ready. It's showing the green indicator, so it's ready for cold lamination. So this is the temperature you can set. And if you need hot lamination, you have to switch it to hot and then start with the lamination. And here, as you start with that, whether it's reverse or forward, you can see this knob turning. Yeah. Right now it's reverse. If I turn it to forward, it will start rotating to forward after switching the forward button. So that is how it is. So the machine is ready for hot lamination. So you have to open this film this way and place whatever you need. I'll be laminating the first paper. There it goes. Hot lamination. I've set the temperature to 80. Oh, it's nice. This is my first lamination, guys. Guys, so the lamination is done and it's really very nice. As you see, there are no bubbles, nothing left in it. And yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. So right now I'll turn off the machine, and so yeah, so this is for one of the restaurants, so I thought I'll just give a try for them. And it's the Beach House by Alex Place. It's somewhere around in Majodha. So I'll leave the link in the description as well, or the location of this restaurant. So yeah, that's all for now.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to AllSorts, and click on the bell icon.